amazing today on the 30th of January 2024.
Asunto-osakeyhtiö Myyrinpuro.
It's Putouskuja, Finland and 2 staircase C here in Myyrmäki, Vantaa, Helsinki, region Uusimaa, Finland. It was built in 1972, but here it has 8 floors. The staircases D and E have 9 floors here, so it's a bit different. And the capacity is 3 persons, so 2 rooms. Some of these are like changed in the 1990s or something.
Yeah.
Here's 1971 actually.
Oh yes.
Yeah, this is late 1971. It's 1971. Texas D and E are from the beginning of 1972.
Yeah.
There's the turn of the year 1971, 1972. This number is actually 25253 here. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Let's take the rest here. I don't know why you said that there was not 1971.
Yeah, I thought that I remembered wrong, but it was 1971.
And it will be expected next year, 2025.
Inspekteert byliftingstoten, maintained partially.
Should have been that faster, no?
Yeah.
That's it. So this Texas D and E. Because this Texas D and E.
That's